Today I'm going to talk to you about closed captioning and subtitles on YouTube. It's actually pretty easy to do because YouTube has given you options now to make it a lot easier, which I'll show you in a few moments. As you can see here on the screen, it asks you to select the original language out of the video and then it'll show you more options. So my videos are done in English. So I would go here and select video language and then select English. Now what this does for the video, if you decide to closed caption the video, is for people who are hearing impaired, they will be able to watch your video and then read the captions and know what you're saying since they can't actually hear. And I've heard from people that when you do add closed captioning or subtitles, it does rank your video higher in the search results. I'm not sure if that's true, but we'll get on with the video now. And so I would just click English, and then already it has the automatic captions that Google generated. And what I used to do is I would take this SBV file here and then download it and then save it, and we'll get back to that a little bit later. But now you can actually edit the video as it's playing, as you hear yourself speak, and change any mistakes that the automatically generated captions have made. So what you do is you click edit, and as you can see, the cursor is already in the first caption from 0.4 seconds to 3.4 seconds. And you can change or edit any of the words that are incorrect. And then you can also edit the time as well to sync up the words better with the actual timestamp. And as you can see down here, it says pause video while typing. So as you're typing, the video will pause, and that helps sync up the words better with the video. And also, I think if you hit the space bar, that used to stop it, but they might have changed that because they have now changed it where you actually have to select the language, and that wasn't there a couple of weeks ago. And once you've finished going through the whole video and editing all of the captions so that they are subtitles, so that they are correct, the words are all correct, and the timestamps, you just hit publish, and then it would be added to your video. And then they can be translated into other languages other than English automatically by Google. Now, the old method I used to use was like I did earlier. I downloaded that SBV file. Then I would open it with WordPad if you're on a Microsoft operating system, and basically go through all of these captions, as you can see on the screen right now, and correct all of the words. And also the timestamps. It's actually a little bit easier to do it here if you want to be more precise when you're syncing the words with the timestamp. And the only thing you want to worry about is that there is only a single space between captions or subtitles, and that you don't add any extra spaces, and also that you do not have duplicate timestamps, because sometimes they overlap and then the captions don't work out correctly or the way they should. And once you've done editing it in WordPad, you just go up to File and you click Save. Don't click Save As, just click Save, and then it will save all of the corrections, and then you would just basically upload it back to YouTube, and then it would be on your video so that people that are hearing impaired can watch your video too. So that was just a quick video about YouTube subtitles and closed captioning. It's actually fairly simple. They've recently made some changes to the interface that you can use on YouTube, and I don't really like the changes. It's a little bit weird compared to how it used to be, but it still works. And I normally try to closed caption my videos as soon as possible. Sometimes there's a day or a few days before I actually do it. Obviously, the automatic captions aren't very reliable. Subscribe, follow, or visit my YouTube channel.